What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today I have a 5-color hand-lettered sign I made using metallic blue Rust-Oleum spray paint and one-shot lettering enamel. I'm going to show you how I made it, but first, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Leave me a thumbs up if you think I deserve it. And with all that being said, let's get into the project. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of the video. I have a sign painting playlist to the left over here, also some links to more of my other videos. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll try better next time.